There's a lot to animation in order to create a good, believable animation that we won't go over in this tutorial, but is important to keep in mind. Those are the principles of animation and acting for animation. However, to make this animation more pleasing to the eye, we will add what is called in-betweens, which is going to fix the tiny mistakes between each pose in the animation. Before we start animating, it's very important that we update our keyframe interval. Do you remember how we changed the timing from 1 to 2s? Well, that only affected the keyframes that have already been created. But for the keyframes that we're about to create, we need to make sure that the default is already set to 2s. To do that, come up here to the top of the timeline and select the number 1. It's going to give you a drop down and then select the number 2. From here on out, it's going to create my keyframes now on 2s. To keep things easy, we're not going to change anything from frame 1 to 23. But if we look at frames 23 to 27, you can see the foot is moving through the ground. So we're going to fix that manually using the Manipulate Bones tool. Between 27 and 33, it looks bad just to have a pose of a straight leg to hold for so many frames. So let's add a bend to that leg. Between 39 and 55, we can do quite a bit to make this a little bit better. Right now I have a pop happening on the leg that may be caused by the target bone. To fix this, it's very simple. Select the Transform Bone tool and select the ankle bone and click and drag to the left or right to pop back into place. Next, I want his arms to come down a lot faster after he falls, so I will move them behind his body. Now play back your animation. This is a really good start. There's obviously a lot we can do to improve this, but to keep it as simple as possible, we will leave it as is. In the next video, we're going to make this animation feel more organic by adding some squash and stretch. I'll see you in the next video. Want to learn how to be a better animator and create professional animations? In this step-by-step character animation course, I have helped beginner animators create advanced animations by teaching them how to apply principles of animation to create professional level animations and understand how to effectively use the Moho animation timeline and motion graph. Want to take the course? Use promo code RUN2019 and get the course 50% off. Link is in the description.